I am writing to inquire about your latest product line. Please find the attached document for your review. I would appreciate it if you could respond by Friday. Thank you for your prompt reply to my previous email. I apologize for the delay in getting back to you. Could you please clarify the terms of the agreement? I look forward to hearing from you soon. Please do not hesitate to contact me with any questions. I am pleased to confirm our meeting on Tuesday. We regret to inform you that the schedule has changed. I would like to bring an important matter to your attention. Please feel free to forward this email to your team. I am following up on my email from last week. Your cooperation in this matter is greatly appreciated. I trust this email finds you well. Kindly confirm receipt of this message at your earliest convenience. Should you require further information, please let me know. I am attaching the revised proposal for your reference. Please accept our sincere apologies for the inconvenience caused. I look forward to your favorable response. We are open to discussing flexible payment terms. Could you possibly lower the unit price? I am afraid that price is beyond our budget. Let us find a solution that works for both sides. We would need a discount to proceed with the order. What is the minimum order quantity you can accept? Are you willing to extend the delivery deadline? We can offer a 5% discount on bulk orders. Let me check with my supervisor before confirming. I think we have reached a fair compromise. Could we revisit the terms of Section 3? We are prepared to walk away from this deal. That offer is acceptable on one condition. We need to weigh the pros and cons carefully. Would you consider including free shipping? Let us put that in writing to avoid misunderstandings. I appreciate your willingness to negotiate. Our final offer stands at $50,000. We could meet halfway on the delivery schedule. Let us draft the contract and review it next week. Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining today. Today I will be presenting our quarterly results. Let me start by giving you a brief overview. As you can see on the slide, sales have increased. I would like to draw your attention to this graph. This figure represents significant improvement. Let me move on to the next section of the report. In summary, we have exceeded our targets. Could I have your attention for a moment, please? I will take questions at the end of the presentation. That brings me to my main point. To put it simply, we need a new strategy. The data clearly indicates a positive trend. Let me elaborate on that point a little further. I am going to walk you through our process step by step. Does anyone have any questions so far? I would now like to hand over to my colleague. To wrap up, I want to highlight 3 key points. Thank you for your time and your kind attention. I am happy to take any questions you may have. Allow me to introduce our latest service offering. Our solution can save your company time and money. What sets us apart from our competitors is quality. I believe this product is a perfect fit for your needs. We have a proven track record in the industry. May I show you a quick demonstration? Our clients have reported a 30% boost in productivity. We tailor our packages to meet your specific requirements. I would love to schedule a follow-up meeting next week. This investment will pay for itself within a year. Let me walk you through the key benefits. We offer a 30-day free trial with no obligation. Imagine the impact this could have on your business. Our pricing is highly competitive in this market. We provide round-the-clock customer support. Would you be interested in a customized proposal? Our team is dedicated to your long-term success. We can deliver results within the agreed time frame. I am confident this partnership will be mutually beneficial. Let us take the next step and finalize the details. I would like to update you on the project status. The project is currently on schedule and within budget. We have encountered a few minor issues this week. Sales have grown by 15% year over year. Customer satisfaction has shown a steady improvement. The findings of our research are quite revealing. Overall, the team has performed exceptionally well. Several factors contributed to the recent decline. I will provide a detailed breakdown in the next slide. Please refer to page 5 of the printed report. The figures speak for themselves quite clearly. Our market share has expanded across all regions. We need to address these concerns moving forward. The data was collected over a 6-month period. Based on these results, I recommend the following actions. There is room for improvement in our delivery times. I am pleased to report that we met analysis will be conducted. Next quarter, I will circulate the full report by end of day. Please let me know if you need any clarification. Let's go over the project timeline once more. We are currently behind schedule by 2 weeks. Please make sure to meet the upcoming deadline. We need to allocate more resources to this task. Let's identify the critical path of this project. Each team member has been assigned a clear role. We should set up a weekly progress review. The deliverables must be ready by next Friday. Let's break this milestone into smaller tasks. We have to manage the project scope carefully. Please update the Gantt chart by tomorrow morning. We need to identify potential risks early on. The budget overrun must be reported to management. Let's hold a kickoff meeting next Monday. We are tracking all action items in the system. The stakeholders need a clear status update. Let's reassess the priorities for this quarter. We should document every change request properly. The final phase will begin in the third quarter. Thank you for keeping the project on track. Thank you for taking the time to meet with me. How are things going on your side these days? What challenges are you facing in your role? I appreciate your honest feedback on this matter. Let's talk about your career goals for next year. Is there anything I can do to support you better? I want to hear your thoughts on the new strategy. You have made remarkable progress this quarter. Let's set some clear goals for the next month. I would like to understand your concerns better. Please feel free to share any ideas openly. I trust your judgment on the team direction. Let's discuss what skills you want to develop. Your contribution to the team is highly valued. How do you feel about your current workload? I want to make sure you feel heard and supported. Let's revisit this topic in our next one-on-one. Please let me know if priorities should shift. I am here to help you grow professionally. Thank you for being open and honest with me. Your performance this year has been outstanding. You consistently exceed the expectations of your role. There are a few areas that need some improvement. I would like to give you some constructive feedback. Your strengths really shine in client communication. Time management could be a focus area for you. Overall, I am very pleased your contribution. You have shown great leadership qualities lately. Let's review the rating across each competency. I encourage you to take on more challenging tasks. Your collaboration skills have noticeably improved. Please take this feedback as a chance to grow. Your evaluation will be reflected in your bonus. I see strong potential for promotion next cycle. Please share any feedback you have for me too. Let's work together on a development plan. Your attention to detail is genuinely impressive. I would like you to mentor a junior next quarter. Please sign the evaluation form when you are ready. Thank you for all your hard work this year. We have encountered an unexpected issue this morning. Could you walk me through what happened exactly? Let's identify the root cause of this problem. The system has been down for about 30 minutes. Please escalate this to the technical support team. We need a temporary workaround until it is fixed. Customers are reporting slow response times today. I am looking into the issue right now. Let's check the error logs from this morning. We must inform the affected clients right away. The fix will be deployed within the next hour. Let's set up a war room for the recovery effort. We should run a full test before going live again. The bug seems to be related to the recent update. Please document the steps for future reference. We owe our clients a sincere apology for this. Let's hold a post-mortem after the issue is resolved. We need to prevent this from happening again. The service has been fully restored as of now. Thank you all for your quick response today. Let's align our long-term vision with the market. Our competitive advantage lies in product quality. We need to expand into emerging Asian markets. The board has approved the new strategic plan. We must focus on sustainable revenue growth. Let's consider the implications of this decision. Our return on investment has steadily increased. The market is shifting faster than we anticipated. We should diversify our revenue streams further. Let's evaluate the risks before committing capital. Our core values must guide every business decision. We are exploring potential merger opportunities. The forecast suggests strong growth next fiscal year. We need to invest more in research and development. Let's reassess our pricing strategy for next year. We must adapt to changing customer preferences. The leadership team is committed to transformation. Let's allocate budget based on strategic priorities. companies. Our digital transformation is well underway already. Let's reconvene next week to finalize the strategy. Our conversion rate has improved this quarter. Let's analyze the customer data more carefully. The campaign generated significant brand awareness. We should segment our target audience clearly. The data shows a clear upward trend recently. Our social media engagement keeps increasing. Let's review the performance metrics together. Customer retention is our top priority now. The survey results were quite insightful overall. We need a deeper market segmentation strategy. Our click-through rate exceeded the benchmark. Let's run an A/B test on the landing page. The dashboard provides real-time analytics insights. Our marketing budget should be reallocated wisely. We identified several promising customer segments. The data suggests we should change our approach. Let's track the user journey from start to finish. Our return on ad spend has nearly doubled already. We should leverage data to drive better decisions. The next campaign launches in early September. Could you walk me through your work experience? What are your greatest professional strengths? I'm passionate about leading cross-functional teams. Why are you interested in joining our company? Tell me about a challenging project you led. I have 5 years of relevant industry experience. We're looking for a candidate with strong leadership. Could you describe your management style briefly? I'm seeking new opportunities for career growth. What salary range are you currently expecting? I work well under pressure and tight deadlines. Your resume looks impressive and well structured. Do you have any questions about the role itself? We will get back to you within 2 weeks. I value collaboration and clear communication highly. How do you typically handle workplace conflicts? I'd love to learn more about the team culture here. We were truly impressed with your background today. When would you be available to start the position? Thank you for taking the time to meet with me. Can everyone hear me clearly on the line? Let's wait a moment for everyone to join the call. Could you speak a little more slowly, please? We need to confirm the shipment details urgently. What's the latest update from the Tokyo office? Sorry, your audio just broke up for a second. pleased to expand our partnership globally. Could you share that document on the screen now? The time difference makes scheduling quite difficult. We must comply with local regulations in each country. Our overseas client requested a revised proposal. Please mute your microphone when you are not speaking. Let's move on to the next item on the agenda. We appreciate your patience with the language barrier. Could we schedule a follow-up meeting next Tuesday? The exchange rate has affected our pricing significantly. I will send the meeting minutes by tomorrow morning. Thank you all for joining, despite the late hour. Let's reconnect once we have the updated figures. Thank you for that very thoughtful question. That's a great point I'd like to address now. Could you please clarify what you mean exactly? I'll be happy to take your questions now. Let me elaborate further on that important point. I'm afraid I don't have that data on hand. I'll get back to you with detailed numbers later. Does that fully answer your concern about cost? I'd like to add one more thing on this topic. Let me refer back to slide number 12 here. We can take any remaining questions offline later. I'd be happy to walk you through the process that falls outside of today's main scope here. Could you repeat the second part of your question? That's exactly the issue we are addressing now. I appreciate the diverse perspectives shared today. Let's open the floor to other questions briefly. I want to make sure I fully understood your point. Please feel free to email me with further questions. Thank you all for your engagement and attention. Our quarterly revenue grew by 12%. Operating profit exceeded our internal forecast. We need to reduce overall operating expenses now. The balance sheet remains very healthy this year. Cash flow improved significantly this past quarter. Our gross margin slightly declined year over year. Sales in the Asia region outperformed expectations. We posted a record high net income this term. The audit confirmed our financial statements clearly. Capital expenditure increased due to new facilities. We are projecting steady growth for next year. Our debt to equity ratio remains very stable. Shareholders should expect a dividend increase soon. We met our annual targets ahead of schedule. The company plans to issue new corporate bonds. We are reviewing our cost structure thoroughly now. earnings per share rose for the third year running. Inventory levels need to be optimized carefully. Foreign exchange losses impacted our bottom line. Our full year results will be announced next month. Please review the contract terms before signing. We must ensure full regulatory compliance. The legal department reviewed the agreement carefully. This clause protects our intellectual property rights. Please sign the non-disclosure agreement today. We need to mitigate potential legal risks. All employees must complete compliance training. The contract is subject to local laws. We strictly prohibit any conflict of interest. Please report any suspected misconduct immediately. Our policy strictly prohibits insider trading. The data privacy policy was recently updated. We need a written consent from the client. The audit revealed several compliance issues. Both parties agreed to the revised terms. We are bound by strict confidentiality rules. The lawsuit was settled out of court. Please consult our in-house legal counsel. The agreement will expire next March. We must comply with international trade laws. Thank you for your continued business with us. We truly value our long-term partnership. Your feedback is extremely important to us. We appreciate your loyalty over the years. Let me introduce you to our new manager. I would love to schedule a follow-up meeting. We will tailor our solution to your needs. Customer satisfaction is our top priority. Please feel free to reach out anytime. We will provide a personalized service plan. Our team is committed to your success. We invite you to our annual client event. Let me check if that option is available. We are happy to offer a special discount. Building trust takes time and consistent effort. I will follow up with you next week. Please let us know how we can improve. Your trust means everything to our company. We hope to serve you for many years. Let us know how the product is working. We need to address this issue immediately. Let us assemble the emergency response team. Please contain the situation as soon as possible. We are investigating the root cause now. All affected customers must be notified today. We will issue an official statement shortly. Please escalate this to senior management. We need a contingency plan right away. Let us prioritize the most critical issues. We must minimize the impact on operations. The system outage is being resolved now. Please keep stakeholders updated every hour. We sincerely apologize for the inconvenience caused. Let us implement a temporary workaround. We are taking corrective actions immediately. We have identified the source of the problem. Please document every step of the response. A full recovery is expected by tomorrow. We will conduct a thorough post-mortem review. Lessons learned will improve our future response. Let us begin the executive board meeting. We need to make a strategic decision today. Please present the proposal to the board. Our long-term vision must guide this choice. Let us weigh the pros and cons carefully. The committee voted in favor of expansion. We must align this with our corporate strategy. Please review the risk assessment summary. I propose we postpone the final decision. We have reached a clear consensus today. The CEO outlined our growth strategy clearly. We will allocate more budget to research. The proposal received unanimous board approval. Let us evaluate the long-term implications. We are considering a major restructuring plan. The board decided to approve the merger. We need data to support this decision. Please share your honest opinion now. Our final decision will be announced Friday. Let us adjourn the meeting for today. Good morning, everyone. Let us get started. I have a few quick updates to share. Could we go over today's main agenda? Our team is on track to meet targets. Let us touch base before the client call. I will circle back with the full details. Could you please walk me through the data? Let us break for lunch and reconvene later. Thanks for taking the time to meet today. Let me get back to you on that. We are making solid progress this afternoon. Please send the report by end of day. I appreciate your prompt and helpful response. Let us align on the next steps clearly. Could we set up a brief follow-up call? I want to make sure we are on the same page. Please share the meeting minutes with everyone. a great evening and see you tomorrow.